Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add friends on Discord. So there are a few ways to do it. You can go to add friend here and search for their username and their Discord tag, or you can just go to a server and go and find like somebody's name like on here. Maybe like you're not friends with them, so you're just going to select their profile, for instance this one, and you are going to select view profile. Then you are going to select send friend request here, and you can add them from there. But that is basically how you can add friends on Discord, like how you can find and add friends on Discord. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!